Hello guys, we are back with another lab of webcast poisoning series. Today we are going to solve this webcast poisoning with an unkeyed cookie. So, as we already discussed in our last video, what unkeyed means. Unkeyed means that the cookie is not being included. Cookie is reflecting or manipulating or modifying or having some effect on the response, but is not included in the cache key. So let's try to access the lab and solve this. Let's tell the lab gets up and running. Let's see. This lab is vulnerable to web cache. Let's just clear this. Open Firefox as I prefer Firefox for testing. Uh, let's go over here. See our traffic is getting captured. Okay, good. That works. I think we should clear history. Yeah. This lab is vulnerable to web cache poisoning because cookies are not included in the cache key, and unsuspecting user regularly visits the site's homepage. To solve this lab, poison the cache with the response that executes alert bar in the visitor's browser. Okay, I think it's pretty much straightforward. Okay, I haven't solved this lab before, so just it will be totally raw. Okay, it gave a session and set cookie. Cool. Yeah, I think we. Okay, I'll use this product ID one as the cache buster because I don't want to test directly on the root page as it would be uh, too tedious for me to wait 30 seconds after each request. So better we okay test over here. It got hit. Let's see if this is if our cookies are getting reflected somewhere. No, like why would I even? Okay, our cookie is getting reflected over here. So so this is our target cookie, and let's try to change something over here. Test, test, and it misses. It reflects over here, and let's add something else. And it hits. That means it is unkeyed, and whatever value we put into it, the cache server won't see to it, and the cache does not involve this. Okay, so now our what was the goal? I forgot. So our goal was this lab is vulnerable to let's just go. This lab is vulnerable to web cache firstning. Okay, and we have to alert one. I think what happens if we directly put value into it, alert one, and misses alert one. I don't think this will get executed because of how it is inside like uh, it is inside a value. I'll show you that. Copy URL. Let's go to the private window. Yeah, we paste source and let's search for alert. And yes, it won't execute. So let's see. First try. Let's try to bypass it. Okay, that's what happens if we use this. And yeah, we are able to bypass it. Okay, I think this won't work. The reason being because after data, everything would get would not be would get truncated or the script won't read it. So let's first try copy URL. Yeah, it didn't get. So I what we can do is what if we use this? I don't know. Is this the right way to solve this lab or the recommended way? But I could think of something like this, then and it misses. And what we did is we closed this data, we closed the script, tag over here, and we just inserted a new script tag with alert1, copy URL, and let's go over here, control V. Uh, our script is not getting executed. Did we miss some SP? Oh, sorry for the wrong one. Yeah, everything looks good. Looks good. Let's just reload. Yeah, it's working. So now the next part is remove the cache cluster. And okay, let's go over here. And I think this should have solved our left. No? Yeah, it got solved. So I don't know why it took 3 tries, but okay. I was distracted somewhere. Okay, before I think we solved it this way, but let's also see the way which PortSwigger tells us to solve this lab. So okay, yeah, we identified this was unkeyed cookie, FE host, and it used something like this. So what it did was it did something like this. When we send it, what happens is this got alert one. It will not be in this in these brackets, but in the script. And when anything is between the script tag, it's this is not a JSON but a script. Like alert one will be read as the part of script. Yeah, I think yeah, this is also good. And R was much easier because I am not very good at JavaScript, so this might be easier for the people who knew JavaScript. But I think yes, this is it for the lab. Please do let me know if there are some recommendations to improve the videos, and we can make more videos.